Short Stuff. A quick demonstration of the basic elements of a laptop by Access Technologies. This is a laptop computer. Using my computer as an example, we can see that a laptop computer is unique. It's composed of two halves that split open to reveal a screen and a keyboard. Now, your personal laptop may have some differences, but there are some pieces of hardware that will be consistent across these devices. We have the charging cord, and the computer itself, which also consists of the screen, the keyboard, the touchpad, and several notable openings across the side. The screen, when the device is on, will show you what's happening on the computer. My computer is off, so you can see that the screen is blank. Below the screen is the keyboard, within which is the power button. This laptop has a power button next to the delete button, but other devices may have them in several major areas. You can check out our power button tutorial on our channel or in the video description below. Now, below the keyboard is a little rectangle in a different texture. This is a touch-activated mouse called a trackpad. You can drag your finger across it to manipulate the cursor on the screen, like a traditional computer mouse. It may also have pressable buttons on the lower left and lower right corners, which perform a left click and a right click respectively. Along the edges may be several openings. The power cord plugs into this round hole back here, usually near the back of a computer. These flat openings are for USB plugs. Extras like external mice or keyboards will connect here. Your laptop may also have an Ethernet port. This allows you to connect your laptop physically to your router, which provides uninterrupted internet signal. This and other computers may have an HDMI port, which allows you to view your computer screen through a larger monitor, even your television. Now, on the other side of my personal computer is another small hole, right here. And this last opening is round, but smaller than the charging port, and sits on the end. Well, if it was well designed, it would sit nearest the user on my side. This is the headphone port. And my computer even has a little engraving to indicate as such. We can see the headphones. There we go. You can